everybody. And I'm telling you, you may have had the chance to see the Goodyear blimp sometime in your life somewhere, right? And maybe it's the Daytona 500 at home for me.